HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand examples of regression in health psychology. People living in wealthier countries live longer than people living in poorer countries. A $1,000 increase in average personal income is associated with an additional 0.135 years of life. This regression line explains 44% of the error in life expectancy. People living in countries with higher homicide rates don't live as long as people living in countries with lower homicide rates. A 1% increase in the homicide rate is associated with a decrease of 0.40 years of life. This regression line explains 39% of the error in life expectancy. Higher water quality is associated with higher life expectancy. A 1% increase in the number of people satisfied with water quality is associated with an increase of 0.19 years of life. This regression line explains 41% of the error in life expectancy. People who have more living space live longer. Each additional room per person is associated with 4.73 years of life. This regression line explains 51% of the error in life expectancy. People who have more education live longer. Each additional year of education is associated with 0.787 years of life. This regression line only explains 4% of the error in life expectancy. People who have higher life satisfaction live longer. Each additional point of life satisfaction, which is measured on a scale of 1 to 10, is associated with 1.755 years of life. This regression line explains 24% of the error in life expectancy. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.